Hey guys, we received this 12 pack extra large heavy duty moving bags for test and try. So this comes with the reinforced zipper and a wide handles. Also the moisture resistant storage bins with the packing cubes for clothes and everything. It's a pack of 12, so it's very generous and can be used for a heavy duty work, moving your stuff or storing your clothes and bags and for the college or anything for the purpose of the use. So I'm just taking out and showing it to you. So it's a nice material, it's a dark blue color, and you can see it's a really big size like the extra large with the things inside as a waterproof, and you can see a great storage inside that you can easily put your clothes around like 60 pieces of t-shirt, 36 pieces of jeans. It's around 13.6 inches in the height, 28.74 inches in the width, and 28.7 in the length. So it's good for traveling, camping, or anywhere you want to use, and it easily carry with the handle. And also you can put in your sticker and with a nice zipper. So it is really good. So it's a wide cloth strap handle or the durable dual zipper, puncture resistant and waterproof function. You can also put in your stickers or the things with the name and the details. So this is pretty nice and handy, and you can of course change the cards whenever you want. So stitching and everything looks really good, and the zipper is high quality with a nice thickness. So after putting in the stuff, you can see I can easily take, and it's a lot of stuff inside, but still there is a more space, and I can easily use with these handles and